How's it going, my friends? I am Alex with Stucco Done Right. Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, I apologize. It's been a while since I've taken a video. I've taken videos, but I haven't posted. Nothing worthy of posting. What we're going to be doing on this house, they're replacing almost all the windows. Well, not all of them, but almost. And they're asking us to remove the bands and remove the texture marks that it has. As you can see, it has those swirl marks all throughout the texture, and that's typical. And then they had that band at the top. Look, it's still visible on that one, and we're gonna remove it too. This used to be arched window and arched wall, just like these ones are, and we're also gonna square them off. Homeowners asking us to square them off. We remove the bands from those. We're probably gonna remove the bands from those up there, and that's basically where we at. And I'll show you what we're doing. It's a big project. Turned out to be bigger than what it started. As you can see, we're adding, well, we need to grind down those lines, those texture lines, before we do our acrylic base coat with fiberglass mesh embedded. Look at this view. Check this out. So here are some of the windows that have already been base coated. And check it out. They already have the base coat. Well, anyways, they're gonna have an acrylic base coat over that with fiberglass mesh embedded. Not sure if you can hear the bachata out there. Now some guys brown coating here. It's drying up because the sun is really hitting on this wall. Those windows over there are lath. These ones are newly lath. I still need to cut the stucco to wedge the vapor barrier on there. And, well, just wanted to show you folks what we've been up to. Again, I am Alex with Stucco Done Right. Hey, thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for subscribing to our channel. We have 190 subscribers. Hey, thank you very much for y'all. I'm gonna be posting more and more. I always say that, but I wind up just getting too involved in what we do, which is great. Alrighty, well, thanks again for watching. I'm Alex with Stucco Done Right in Franktown, Colorado.